So if I'm taking a question, if a pole 6 meter high cast a shadow 2√3 long on the ground, then sun's elevation is, this one is very basic question. Okay, I am giving the options are also given over here: 60 degree, that is 45 degree, 30 degree, and 90 degree. We have to find the elevation of the sun. Okay, if a pole is this much meter high. Let's draw the figure first. If a pole is 6 meter high, cast a shadow 2√3 meter long. So shadow will obviously, it will be like this, 2√3. Okay, on the ground. The sun's elevation is, anyone from here, please tell me what to do over here. What we have to find over here.
We can take tan over here.
Yes.
Tan theta.
Take tan over here, tan theta. So basically here is the theta, right? That is what the elevation means. The angle of elevation, right? Here the sun must be there and theta we have to find. So we will be taking tan theta is equals to what? What?
6 by 2√3.
And if we will cancel them, what will be getting?
√3.
What?
√3 if we cancel them out. So tan would be 60.
If we will cancel them out, we will be getting, yeah, the theta value will be 60. So if you will cancel it out to 6 over 2√3, you can cancel like this. And then if you understand 3 means √3 into √3, then you can go ahead and you can cancel them out. Otherwise, you can do the rationalization also. Your wish, whatever feels convenient to you. So we will be having 3√3 by 3 only. That means √3 only came out, which is the angle will be 60 degree over here. Okay. Now the next question is sec theta when expressed in terms of cot theta is equals to, the first one is 1 plus cot square by cot. The next one is root 1 plus cot square theta. The third one is root 1 plus cot square theta by cot theta. And the fourth one is root 1 minus cot square theta divided by cot theta. What to do over here? Anyone?
We can convert this. Sec could be 1 by cos theta.
We can write sec as a 1 by cos theta.
Then we can also convert it.
What to do?
Can we say that sin theta by cos theta would give us, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right.
Basically, Like there is a easier way to go ahead. Do you know any identity which is related to sec theta? Identity related to sec theta.
Uh, 1 plus sec square is equal to cot square.
Yeah. We know one identity which is related to sec theta, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. We can also write it as sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Now this tan square theta, can we convert it to cot theta? Can we convert it to cot theta? Yeah. Can we convert tan to cot? Anyone?
Yeah, we can.
What to write over there?
Uh, cot would be
Tan is equals to
sine by cos.
tan is equals to tan theta is equals to 1 by cot. Can we write?
Yeah.
Do you know it?
Yes.
So let's write it 1 by cot. Okay. So if we will take out the LCM, what will be the LCM on that side? Yeah. What will be the LCM over here? The first term is having the denominator as 1. And the next term is having denominator as a cot theta. So LCM will be, can we
Cot
say
theta.
LCM will be cot theta? Can we?
Yeah.
So the first term will be cot theta plus, the numerator will become cot theta plus 1. Are you getting it? Anybody who is not getting, please do let me know. Is it clear so far to everyone? Okay, this is what we are having as a sec square theta. Now we have to find sec theta. So can we say it will be under root of everything, that is cot theta plus 1 by cot theta? Okay, one thing we have done the mistake over here. It was tan square theta. We must have written this is square, cot is square over here, and cot is square over here. So now you can see from the numerator, cot is square theta plus 1 we are getting, and from the denominator, cot will come out. Is there any option like that? Let's check. So yeah, we are having option number C like that. Can you see? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we will be solving it. Since we have to express sec as in terms of cot, the best possible approach will be, we know there is an identity which is related to sec and tan. So we will go ahead and we will use that identity. Now just go out easily. So we will be using the identity and then we will go from tan to cot, and that's how we will land on, we will just convert sec theta in terms of cot theta. Option number C we have got from here. Is it clear? Anyone having any confusion, please let me know. No doubt. Let's move ahead. So the next question is two dice. are thrown together, the probability of getting the difference of numbers on their upper faces equals to 3 is option A 1 by 9, option B 2 by 9, option C. So we are throwing two dice and upper face is equals to 3. So what will be the possibility? 4, 5 or maybe 6. On the second die also it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Now what we need? We need the difference of the numbers on their upper face. Okay, on the upper face the difference has to be 3. So what we can say, if we are getting 1 on the first die, if we are getting 1 on the first die, then on the second die we must be having 4, right? Then only the difference will be 3, right? Are you getting it? So one of the possibility became 1 with 4. Now if we are getting 2 on the first die, then the other die must be having, if we are getting 2, let me change the color so that everyone will understand over here. If we are getting 2 on the first one, then the second one must be having 5. Then only the difference will be 3, right? 2 with 5. Now the next one, if we are getting 3 on the first die, 3, then the other one must be having, if we are getting 3 on the first one, other one must give us 6, then only the difference will be 3, right? What are we doing over here? We are just collecting all the favorable outcome, because what will be the total outcome? Do we know total outcome? When we are throwing two dice, what will be the total number of outcome? What will be the sample space? When you are throwing two dice, what will be in the denominator? Huh? Anyone?
12.
12. Anyone else?
6.
What?
6.
Yeah. 6.
Yeah.
Are you saying 6? Okay.
Yes.
Anyone
6.
else? Everyone is agreeing with her. If we are throwing two dice, then what will be the total number of outcome? Total sample space. How many total combination we will be getting? 12. Okay. Everyone, like, just vote for it. Who is voting for 12 and who is voting for 6? I'm combination for the die of two die. Two die. When we are throwing two die, one after another or both simultaneously, then how many total possible like combination we will be getting? As you know the formula, that probability formula is favorable outcome. total outcome. I am asking what will be the total outcome in this case without even thinking about favorable. We will be thinking about the favorable outcome, but after a while, what will be the total outcome?
Uh, can we say it's 36?
Who said 36?
Kiran. Kiran.
Exactly. Exactly, it's 36. Total number of outcome without even thinking about the favorable outcome, it has to be 36. Why it's 36? Because we are throwing two die. 6 into 6 it will be. Why 6 into 6 it will be? Because once you will start listing down all the possibility, can come, one with 2 can come, one with 3 can come, one with 4 can come, one with 5 can come, and one with 6 can come. Similarly, 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 2 with 3, 2 with 4. This way you will end up getting 36 total number of possible outcome. Whenever we are throwing two die, we don't even have to think about how many total possible total what will be the total number of outcome. Total number of outcome will always be 6 square, that means 36. Clear? How 36? This way, how we will be getting 36. Similarly, we will be getting 2 with 1. If on the first die we are getting 2, in the second die we can get 2. In the first die if we are getting 2, in the second die we can get 3. In the first die if we are getting 2, in the second die we can get 4. So this is how, if we will keep on listing down every possible case, then total 36 outcome will come. Total outcome I was asking. Okay, that's why I have written the formula to keep it clear that what will be sitting in the denominator. And still, if you want to check it, I will be listing down every number and will show you it's 36 only. Okay, so total number of outcome will be 36. Here, what we are concerned about, whenever it says that two dice are getting thrown, like we are throwing two dice, we don't even have to think about anything. We will just be saying total 36 possible outcome will be there. Sample space means well how many possible outcome will be there, and that is 36. Now our main concern is what will be the favorable outcome. Okay, what will be the favorable outcome? What's the meaning of favorable outcome? Here if you will focus on the question, it is demanding that the difference of the numbers to 6. That is what we are collecting from here. So one with, yes, perfect, Kiran. Your answer is correct. Whoever is having confusion between 6 and 12, please note here we will not be get. I was asking about the denominator. Okay. And if you got confused with the numerator, let's see what exactly we are getting the numerator now. So the difference of the number on their upper face is equals to 3. So I am saying if on first die we got 1, then on the second die if we will be getting 4, then only then on the second die you must get 5, then only the difference will be 3. So this is how all the favorable case we are collecting. If on the first die we will be getting 4, then in the second die we must be getting 1, then only the difference will be 3, because it doesn't say the difference from first to second or second to first. So we will be taking all the possible cases. If on the first die we are getting 5, then the difference we need 3. That means on the second die we must be getting 2. If on the first die we are getting 6, then on the second die we must get 3, then only the difference will be 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoever was saying 6 as a favorable, by thinking it as a favorable, that is correct. And if you were thinking that 6 is the total outcome, that is incorrect. Okay. So total 36 outcome are there. Let's write it here. Total probability will be favorable outcome. Favorable outcome. by total number of outcome. I said that total number of outcome, when we are throwing 2 die, it will be 36. When we are throwing 1 die, it will be 6. When we are throwing 3 dice all simultaneously or one after another, it will be 6 to the power 3 total possible outcome. When we are throwing 4 die, it will be 6 to the power 4. Okay, for 1 die it was 6, for 2 die it was 6 square, for 3 die if you are throwing it will be 6 cube, and for 4 die if you are throwing it will be 6 to the power 4. Okay, so total outcome is 36 because here two dice are throwing, we are throwing simultaneously. And favorable outcome, we have already got 6 possible favorable outcomes are there, where the difference is 3. Here the difference is 3. All possible outcome I have noted down. How I have noted down? By thinking that if the first one is giving 1, then another one must give 4. If the first one is giving 2, then another one must give 5. If the first one is giving 3, then another one must give 6. Similarly, first one is giving. By considering and just keeping our focus on the first one, we have listed down everything. Okay. So this is the probability, and if we will cancel it out, 6 5 times 30, 6 6 times. So we got 1 by 6 as an answer. Let's see which option is there. Option number C is the correct option. Is it clear now? Is it clear to everyone? Let's move ahead. So the next question says, in the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR. If AC is equals to 6 centimeter, BC is equals to 5 centimeter, and QR is equals to 3 centimeter, and PR is equals to X, then the value of X. Let me draw the figure, then it will make sense to you. So here we are having a triangle A, C, B. This is 6 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Here we are having another triangle. This is R, this is Q, and this is P. Here we are having X. Here we are having 3 centimeter. And what we have to find? The value of X we have to find. Options are also given. Let me write it. 3.6 centimeter. Option B is 2.5 centimeter. Option C is 10 centimeter. Just a moment. And option D is 3.2 centimeter. Anyone what to do over here? These two triangles are similar triangle. Yeah. What to do over here? Anyone? Any idea what to do? Okay, let's focus on the question. Here it says that triangle ABC and triangle QPR are similar triangle, can we write the sides will be in proportion with each other? Can we? The sides of the triangle will be in proportion with each other since these two triangles are similar with each other. Now, how you will be writing the sides in proportion? So here the sequence, the name of the triangle only saying how we can go ahead and we can write the sides will be in proportion with each other. We can go ahead and we can say AB by QP, BC by PR, and AC by RQ. This ratio will be same. Again, I am repeating how you will understand which side take, like which side by which side, how to take that. So that's why we write the name of the similar triangle properly so that we can go ahead and we can write the sides in proportion. Side AB, side QP. Okay? Side BC by side PR. And the last one will be side AC by side QR. These sides will be in proportion with each other since these two triangles are similar triangle. Once you will write the ratio between the side, then you have to check it which ratio is going to help you. So let's write it. I am saying that side AB by QP will be equals to side BC by PR will be equals to side AC by QR. These sides are in proportion with each other. Now, do we know like which ratio we already here? So let's substitute QR we know, or all right. So AB, QP we don't know. Let's keep it aside. BC we know that is 5. And PR we don't know. PR is X. Let's write PR as a X only. Is equals to AC. What is AC? AC is 6 divided by QR. What is QR? QR is 3. Can you see easily we can find the value of X from here? Can you? Can you see it? What will be the value of X from here? Tell me. Write it in the chat box, everyone. I'm waiting for your response. Yeah, do let me know what will be the value of X from here.
5.6.
5.6
2.6, sorry.
or 2.6. Okay. Is it 2 point? Okay. 2.5.
Is it
Samina.
not 2.5?
Yeah. Rest of the student, first tell me, then we will be talking about the right answer, whether it is or whatever
2.5 is
they are saying that is the correct option. 2.5. Okay.
2.5.
So two students have got 2.5. Rest of the student, please let me know what you are getting. Okay, Samina. No eyes on the chat box also. Okay. Uh, it's okay. It's completely fine. If your mic is not working, it's not your fault. Yeah, figure it out. What's the problem? And yeah, you for now you can write it in the chat box. So 2.5 you said. Rest of the student, please do let me know what is your answer. Is it taking that much time to calculate the value of X from here? Write it quickly in the chat box. Or you can unmute yourself and also you can say. Jasleen, Kiran, Who are there?
I told
Madiha.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I
What you
told
got?
it was 2.5.
2.5. Everyone getting 2.5, right? 2.5 is the right answer. Is it clear how we are taking the ratio between the sides? Always you will be having this problem that how to write it in proportion. Okay, so please write the name properly. That will only help you to write the names in proportion with each other. If your name is correct, that ABC and QPR, by mistake, even if you are proving that two triangles are similar with each other, then you need to write the sequence of the name properly. Okay, so that whoever is going to check the copy, they will understand that you have written the sequence of the name. Instead of QPR here, PQR will be there, no? Then the whole scenario will get changed. Okay. That's why we need to write the name properly. And here, since already it is given that this triangle, that triangle are similar, so accordingly, the first two letter with the first two letter over there, we are taking the ratio. The next two letter over here, then the next two letter over there, we are taking the ratio. This is how we will be taking the ratio when we are talking about the similarity condition or when we are talking about the congruency condition. Same thing applies for both the concept. Okay, let's go ahead. A very basic, easy question I am giving. Okay, do it quickly. The distance of a point minus 6 comma 8 from the origin. Option A 6, B negative 6, C 8, and D 10. Do let me know which option is the correct option.
Then,
10.
yeah.
Everybody getting 10 only? Yeah. Okay. Previous one was 2.5. Yes, ma'am. 10. Everyone is getting 10. Yes, 10 is the right option. Whenever you have to find distance from origin, one thing you must know, the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Now you are sorted. You can go ahead and you can apply the distance formula. Next one. In the given figure, PQ is tangent to the circle with center O at okay O. If angle OPQ is equals to X, angle POQ is equals to Y, then X plus Y is equals to, let me draw the figure. We are having a circle over here, having center O. In the given figure, PQ is the tangent. Okay, so we are having a tangent like this. This is Q, this is P. Yeah. This angle is given as X and this angle is given as Y. We have to find the value of X plus Y. Options are 45 degree, B 90 degree, C 60 degree, and D 180 degree. What to do over here? Anyone having any Any idea? No idea? Any circle theorem will work over here? (180), 45. Jasleen is saying 180 and Samina is saying 45 degree. Okay, I'm
90.
keeping both.
It's 90 degrees.
Okay, who said 90?
Kiran.
Kiran, you said?
Yeah,
Who said 90?
I just said that.
Okay, Kiran is saying 90. Jasleen is saying 180. Okay, rest. Because they are supplementary. Okay, are they supplementary? Supplementary condition here can we take? Like we cannot take supplementary. We can take that in this triangle POQ, the angle sum property says that angle X plus angle Y plus angle OQP will be 180 degree, the triangle angle sum property. Now, if you will focus over here, tangent chapter you have done, there is only one concept and that is totally based on tangent. So if we are drawing a tangent, can you see this is a point of contact Q? And at point of contact, when we will join the radius, it will make what angle? What
90
angle it
degrees.
will make over here at a point of contact? 90 degree, right? So if this is 90 degree, let's substitute the value over here, 90 degree. X plus Y we don't know and we don't even want to find it. Okay, together X plus Y we wanna find. That is 180 degree. So X plus Y will be 180 minus 90. That means 90 degree. So directly we ended up getting X plus Y as a 90 degree. Got it? Just by applying the tangent theorem, the first theorem which you have learned in this circle chapter, that at a point of contact when you will join the radius or if the point of contact when you will join it with the center, that will make a 90 degree over there. That will be right angle with each other, right? Now if I am taking another question from the circle itself, let me write it in the given figure. I believe previous one is clear to you. TA is tangent to the circle with center O such that OT is equals to 4 centimeter, angle OTA is equals to 30 degree, then the length of TA. Here we are having a circle. Here we are having a tangent like this, TA. Here is the center O. It is joined like this. What exactly the question says in the given figure, TA is a tangent to the circle with a center O such that OT is given as a 4 centimeter and OTA is given as a 30 degree. Then we have to find the length of TA. What to do over here? What to do over here? Anyone?
Tan 30. We should take tan 30.
Tan 30?
Yeah, ma'am.
Is it not sine 30?
Sine one is one of the student is saying tan 30 and you said sine 30, right?
Yeah,
Right? Let's check
yes.
what we can use. We have to find TA. TA, if I will focus on the angle, it is adjacent side and hypotenuse. Adjacent side and hypotenuse. Are you able to identify that adjacent and hypotenuse is included over here? Because it's a right angle triangle. Again, I am repeating the same. You will join it, you will end up having right angle triangle. So that's why we are talking about the trigonometric ratio. If it would not be a right angle triangle, then we will not even think about trigonometric ratio, because all the ratio, whatever you have learned, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, everything is applicable only for right angle triangle. So yes, it's a right angle triangle. Then we are thinking about tan and sine. But here, rather than tan and sine, like other trigonometric ratio will help us better. Tell me which TA we need to find.
Cos 30.
Exactly. Cos 30. Because TA is the adjacent side and this is hypotenuse we are having in hand. So why to take other unknown information? Whatever we have to find, take that, and whatever is given, take that. So cos 30 we will be finding, that is adjacent side, that is TA, over hypotenuse, that is 4. Now cos 30 value is, what is the value of cos 30?
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Yeah, but the
Cos
value of cos
30
30 degree
root 3 by 2.
value. TA is 2 root 3. Which option? First. Clear? So whatever you know, from there only the question will be there in your question paper. It might be lengthy question, it might be very basic question, or it might be some tricky question, but the question. Just a moment, no? Yeah, let's continue. So we have done this question. Now the next question says, in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. If PB is equals to 6 centimeter, AP is equals to 4 centimeter, AQ is equals to 8 centimeter, find the length of AC. Let me draw the figure, then you will be able to understand. A, B, C, this is P, Q. So the options also are 12 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 14 centimeter. What to do over here? In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. Alright. If PB is equals to, PB is given as 6 centimeter, AP is given as 4 centimeter, AQ is given as 8 centimeter, we have to find AC. How to find AC over here?
Can we
Anyone?
say that AP is AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC, and then we can equate it by substituting the values?
Let's substitute the values. AP is 4, AB is 10, AQ is 8 and AC is, let's say, X. So what we will be getting as a value of X from here? What we will be getting as a value of X?
20.
Please check it. It is 4 by 10. Who said 20?
Kiran?
Yeah. 20 will be the answer. Check it. Here you will be getting 20 only. X crisscross, if you know. Just do the calculation your own way. Okay, if I am going to show the calculation, it might confuse you. Just basic calculation, try to do it your way. But the X value has to be 20. Do let me know, are you getting 20 or not? And whatever she said, yes, that is correct. That AP by AB we can take total, and then AQ by AC total we can take. How? Again, we can use the concept of similarity. However, you can also go ahead and you can take the, you can use the concept of basic proportionality theorem over here. Or like this also directly you can do. Okay, so whatever seems convenient to you, your X value X means the total AC will be 20 only. So whatever method you are using, your answer has to be 20. Okay, so it will be 20 centimeter. Got it? Can we move ahead? Is it clear to everyone, this expression, whatever she said? This one, only this one you need to understand. That AP by AB is equals to AQ by AC. Okay, let's move ahead. if alpha of the polynomial Px is equals to 4x square minus 3x minus 7, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is, do calculate it and tell me what will be the answer. A 7 by 3, B minus 7 by 3, C 3 by 7 and D minus 3 by 7. Do calculate it and do let me know. No worries, Jasleen. It's okay. Sometimes we do the calculation mistake. Even I do the calculation mistake. So that is totally fine. Okay. So yeah, when I'm just teaching the concept and explaining any concept and doing the calculation very quickly, then end up doing some like calculation, the basic calculation error, and that is completely fine. Just in exam, you just after solving every question, just check if there is a time, then just sit and check the calculation whether you have done correctly or not. Okay, because you should not do mistake during the exam.
Is the answer option D?
Okay, option D. Anyone? Are you getting option D only? How to do this? Just let me know what is the answer. Options A, B, C, or D. C said she is getting D. Kiran said? Or
Yes, ma'am.
Jasleen? Okay, Kiran.
Kiran.
Okay. Kiran is saying option